Hi, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Let's make breakfast together. And while making breakfast, I'm going to catch you up on what I've been doing since morning and what I'm going to do during the duration of this vlog. First things first, I'm thinking to make besan ka chila. It is simple, it is easy, has a little bit of protein and makes my tummy full so I can get through the day. I don't like when onions are this huge because I don't need that much, and you don't also keep old onions, right? You don't keep cut up onions. Okay, so this morning, wait, I need to put my hair up. I'm cutting onions. I am back. So I woke up pretty early today at around 6 a.m. actually, and I've been taking it slow. I had to plan my week actually, and yesterday was a Sunday, but I did nothing but sleep the entire day. So I did not get any time to plan the week or like have a reset routine per se that I usually do, that you guys have seen, right? So for me, this Monday is actually a very task intensive couple of days because on Wednesday I am going on a trip. So today we have to plan content, we have to shoot content, I have to edit a brand video. I barely have any besan left. Oh god. So for besan ka chila, usually I have it with paneer, but I don't have any paneer left for today. So I'm just using some onions. I put salt, I put a little bit of chili powder and a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of hing. So on Friday, my friends and I, we had a sleepover. We of course didn't sleep the entire night. So I was so tired on Saturday. I literally spent it sleeping. I couldn't just get the word sleeping out of my mouth for some reason. And yesterday, the Sunday, what should have been a reset day was spent in giving my car for service, which took almost the entire day. I got it in the evening, so I went there again. And by the time that I was done with everything, I was so tired and I was so hungry. I even forgot to eat breakfast yesterday. Like, that's how busy yesterday was, so I did not get anything done. Guys, I found the last bit of paneer, so I'm going to take use of it. I'm running a little late, so I'm just going to quickly dry my hair. I'm feeling like straight hair today, so I'm just going to use a blue brush to do it. I'm not using the Volumo today. Guys, just look at the volume of my hair. I've been trying out a new routine. I've been using a new shampoo and mask, and I feel like it has given my hair so much life. Like, this is just my regular blow brush, okay? I usually get like really flat hair with it, but now that I'm done with my hair, I need to do my makeup. And so usually while doing makeup, I like to put this front bit in a roller. This further solidifies the curl and really gets it very well defined, which I love, and like gives that long lasting volume. This is my new favorite sunscreen. It is so glowy and so lightweight, like water. This is what my makeup looks like. I am actually getting really late because I procrastinated a little in the name of writing my content, but oh my god, oh, so beautiful, so beautiful. It's almost 2 o'clock and I'm finally having my lunch. I ordered out today. I have some paneer ki sabji with dal rice and one roti and some bundi raita, which I'm sure you guys can't even see because if I tilt it way too much, it's gonna pour all over. Let's get to eating. I did only shoot one video, so I'm a bit behind on schedule. But you know what? I have so much backlog on content shot versus content edited that I actually need to edit more than shooting right now. But I need to shoot. I love shooting. I just hate editing. I brought in some more food because I'm so hungry. Guys, I took a nap. Oh god, I was just laying down and I didn't realize when I closed my eyes. I slept at what, like 2:55 or something. It is almost 3:30. No. Alright, so it is around 4:45 and I've shot 2 videos till now. Now I need to get to getting today's post ready. It's a carousel, so I need to do all the text effects that I do on it. So a lot of you guys ask me like, where do I get these texts and like these effects from? So basically text you have to download manually from Google, and I use the app InShot for my text right now. Also, I got a new cover and I already broke it because I didn't realize it was a glass bag, and actually it isn't really protecting anything, not even itself. That reminds me, I do need a new cover, and I am definitely sticking to my silicone covers because that's all I can take care of. This is not the brand's fault, this is my fault because who drops their phone like that anyways? I feel a little sick. I feel really like low on energy since morning. Feel like I'm gonna get a stomach bug or something. I think I definitely got something from what I ate because my stomach does hurt, and I just drank some ajwain water and took medicine, and now I've got biryani. People are going to be like, dude, you say your stomach is hurting and you're eating biryani, but you know what? That's my comfort food. I just have to have my comfort food to feel better. I cannot. And okay, I got from Daryaganj, and look at the packing that they gave in. It's like, I genuinely did not think hari chutney. This is, I think, raita. Like, I can reuse these. It looks really cute. I can definitely reuse these. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I sort of ended the vlog yesterday a little abruptly, and a little update on my health. I do feel a lot better. We have lots to do today. I need to edit so much, and I also need to pack, and I also need to shoot. So it was not good procrastinating. I mean, I did not procrastinate, okay? To my defense, it was not procrastination. I felt sick. I slept early yesterday, like around 11 I slept. It's currently 9:23, but I woke up around 8:45. Let's make breakfast. I got this Gladful choco pancake made with millet and masoor. It has protein. I think how much protein? For every 2 pancakes, it has 10 grams of protein, which is pretty good. This pancake. My Amazon order just came in, and this is the new cover. This forest green color. It's pretty nice. Okay, I need to charge my phone, but I am in full stress mode today. Like, oh god. I feel so stressed and overwhelmed today, but I'm just gonna take it one at a time Majorly, I need to edit 2 videos, Aaj Ka Reel and brand video. And then I need to shoot 3 stories, 2 for L'Oreal, 1 for Love, Beauty and Planet. It's around 6:40 now and I have started packing, as you can see. I am going to keep everything that I need on my bed right now, bags, jewelry, everything packed. But I'm gonna put it into my suitcase in the morning because I want to shoot a pack with me video. Oh god. I did not end the vlog last night because I went out for dinner. I was like, I just need to be lazy for one last time. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I will see you in the next one. I'm actually just starting to shoot the next one. It is going to be my Bangalore / Tamil Nadu vacation or trip vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and I'll meet you for the next one. Bye.